This is going to be a quick video on how to create a map on Google Maps that you're later going to use for a Google Earth tour. So right here I'm at Google Maps, maps.google.com, and I'm just going to sign in. This is the first step. So once you're signed in, everyone's used Google Maps before. You can zoom in. You're going to want to click on this My Places button over here. If you didn't know this was here, it is. And the first thing you want to do is press Create Map. And so here we're just going to call this Summit Avenue Home Tour number 2. Give it a little description. And your privacy settings, I like to leave things unlisted just because I think it's a little bit better. Public ones could show up on Google search. So you could hit save right there just to save everything. But let's say I'm just going to zoom in on St. Paul here. So we're zoomed in on Summit Avenue. And so let's say I want to add the first house. And so up here you could click on this map point here. And you could zoom around and find a place to drop that dot, or I'm going to press escape, or up here I can just search for James J. Hill house. It's going to bring me right down to his house. I like to go to satellite view just so I can see it a little bit better. And I wouldn't worry about what street view or what kind of view you want it to be right now. All you need to do is get these points and where, on top of the houses that you want them to be. So do James J. Hill house. James J. Hill. And I also like to press this rich text button, and then we'll go out and search for James J. Hill. I want to put a link to this Historical Society website just to provide a little more information. So highlight that, copy that link. You can make this bold and italics and stuff like that. You can also change the color of that map point to make it whatever you want. Just leave it green, hit OK. So I like to save, and now I'm done with my map point. So let's say I'm going to move on to the governor's mansion on Summit Avenue. So right now I'm just zooming in on the map here. The governor's mansion's right here. So there's a governor's mansion. Now I'm going to want to click another map point and drop it right on top of the governor's mansion. Governor Mark Dayton currently lives here. And hit OK. And I just hit save after each. So you can zoom around and add different map points on the houses that you want and hit save. A great part about doing this on Google Maps is that you can collaborate. If you are doing this with someone else or want to enlist the help of your family and friends, you can invite collaborators. So on this one, let's just say I'm going to invite myself. Add a message. Send invitations. Awesome. And that's all you need to do is create. I'm going to hit this edit button again. I can go back here and go down and find this place mark 3. I didn't really want it there, so I can delete that. And it'll list all of your map points here on the left side. Okay, so you can scroll around the map and find the houses that you want to add. The map points that you want to add. I don't remember if there's any really big houses down by St. Thomas, but we'll just mark St. Thomas. We'll just put St. Thomas. I guess there. UST owns a lot of Summit Avenue real estate. Hit save. Hit done. And why I'm doing this in Google Maps is because I can come back to this map on any computer. As long as I sign into my Google Map, I can access this stuff. I can edit it from anywhere, so you don't need to worry about the same computer, any of that stuff. If you do, I'm just going to close out of this and show you how to get back into it. Just go to Google Maps and click on My Places. And right here, go to Maps, save your home. Click right here, and then just hit Edit again, and I'm back to editing on a different computer, a new computer. You can worry about what it looks like in Street View. I don't want to move that. Hit Save. You also can, if you want, you can draw shapes around certain portions. So if I wanted to draw a shape around St. Thomas right here, I could do that. Red. USC campus. So maybe that's a different visit on our Google Earth today that I want. Hit save. Once you're all done, all you need to do to bring this into Google Earth is click on this button right here that says KML. And all I did to get there was go to My Places, Maps, and hit KML. And it's going to download this file right here. If you email that to yourself on your iPad, it'll bring it right into Google Earth. You can also open it in Google Earth on your computer. So I know this has gotten a little long. We're already at 7 minutes, but that is just everything you need to know to get started creating. It's called My Maps, Google My Maps. And again, as long as you're signed on, you just go to Maps. There are all your maps. It saves everything right there as long as you press save. And I use My Maps for just about anything. Create a map, try it out.